Simple cooking, simple cooking channel.
Put in 1 avocado, then put in about 4 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of honey, just a few small ice cubes. Put the lid on and blend for about 30 seconds. Alright, now put some of this in. This is the bottom layer, clearly. So just put that in. Now just put this in the fridge while you're making the middle layer. Now for the middle layer, throw in 1 banana, 1 mango, 2 tablespoons of honey, and about half a dozen small ice cubes. And then put in about half a cup of orange juice. Blend this for about 30 seconds or so. Now pour in the next layer. Put that in the fridge while we do the top layer. Now for the top layer, throw in 1 banana and 8 large strawberries and about 1 tablespoon of honey and about 4 or 5 ice cubes. Now just blend this for about 30 to 60 seconds. And now pour on the top layer. Oh yeah. And there you have a traffic light fruit smoothie.